falling asleep, bebe. So, nandito na naman ako guys sa home bargain. Gawa ng laruan na nakita ko kahapon. Tapos na. So, gusto ko sanang pumili nito. Hindi na siya maganda. Wala na yung nakita kong maganda kahapon. Nakakainis guys, hindi ko pa kinuha kahapon yung nakita ko. Wala na tuloy.
I could tell it was open from the road.
Alright.
On the curb.
Lamig. Ito kami guys sa Filipino shop. It's cold. Goodness. Nagpunta kami dito guys sa Filipino shop kaso mo walang masyadong tinda kaya hindi na rin pati ako nakapag-video kasi nga nagkwentuhan pa kami ni ating Pilipina sa loob. Pinakita ni Mr. nga si baby at sabi nga namin ay kami ay na-surprise sa aming blessings. Tapos nagulat sa akin si ate parang hindi naman daw ako nanganak. Sabi ko nga kay ate matagal kami hindi nakabalik kasi nga umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Tapos pagbalik ko naman dito sa UK ako nga ay nanganak. Tapos na emergency CS pa ako kaya ako yung nagpahinga muna.
Exactly where I was going.
So we're here. Takat ng Primark guys. Yeah. Bigat naman na itong pinto na to. I'm not gonna take my bag, yeah? It's safe. Primarks.
Children.
Where?
Kids upstairs.
Yeah. Nice? What do you think? I like this color also. Look what size is that on the mannequin.
You can decide on colour.
I like that. What about the cream?
No. So which you prefer, that one or this one?
That one. There. There. Ay, ang cute. 750. Mahihirapan. Ah, look after this.
Mickey and Minnie here, look some Disney ones.
Yeah. How many pieces?
5. 7 in there, isn't there? One a day.
Yeah. Here, 7 also. How much are they? So, ito ay 8 pound for 5 pieces. Ay, long sleeve. This is long sleeve, mister. Long sleeve.
No, I shouldn't need long sleeve.
This is... Watch out the fusing. I don't want that. These are long sleeves.
Yeah.
So, long sleeve pala yun.
Long sleeve, don't they?
Ay, ang cute nito. Parang baru-baruan. How much is this? 8 pound then also for 5 pieces. That's a Minnie Mouse there. Yeah, I like this. 0 to 3 months. Yeah. How much? 750.
You find it?
Yeah, 750.
There's a price on it? I didn't see.
Have
Oh, on the back. Yeah.
want to check the texture. Hold it. Yeah, that's good enough, I think. And ito din ang cute. How much? Parang liit. Looks so small. Ang cute guys, oh. Okay. 8 pound. for 3 pieces. And ito ay 8 pound din. Muslim spare. I want this. 3 pound. 1 pound each. I want this one also. We don't have basket. They don't have basket.
I didn't see any. I'm going to get them in.
I'm struggling. Let's look around. Hi, this is cute. 12 to 18 months. Pero pang malaki. So ganito dito guys, wag mo lang bag. Parang nang halbot lang. Ang itsura to. Parang ako nang halbot ng damit. Yeah. Yeah. Careful her head. So wala kaming bag guys. Tingnan nyo naman bit-bit ko. Oh. Labit-labit. Hindi na kami bumili ng bag. Ilang piraso lang naman. Kakauwi lang namin guys. Galing sa anak ni Mr. And ang daming binigay na damit. And then dumaan kami ni Mr. sa Primarks. Bumili lang kami ng ito sa akin pants. Aray ko. So bali ito sa akin pants. So ang size ko is 12 to 13. So pang bata ang size ko dito. So 4 pound lang to. Ganito ang itsura niya. Tsaka itong brown. So yan. Ganda nito guys. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. And then hindi din siya ganun kakapal. Pero tamang-tama to pag nasa bahay. Kasi malamig nga dito. So sabi ko kay Mr. next time bibili pa ulit ako. Kasi 4 pound lang naman ang isa niya. And then si Mr. bumili lang na itong warmer. So 10 pounds lang to. So mura doon sa Primark. And then bumili ako nitong parang lampe na to. Ang cute kasi niya. So ayan, 3 pieces to for 3 pounds. Buksan natin guys. Kung ano itsura niya. So ganito siya, para siyang lampin. Kasi yung mga lampin ko na galing sa Pilipinas na dala ko, binili ko yun sa SM. Ang pangit niya na dahil tinatumble dry nga namin dito pag naglalaba. So parang naghimulmol siya. And then, ito, bumili kami ni Mr. Neto. So ito ay, magkano ba to? 7.50 for 7 pieces. So ganito yung itsura niyan. Ito nyo ba guys? So mura na siya. Ang kinuha ni Mr. A, 0 to 3 months. Kaso, parang ang liit. Ganito. So, pangloob to ng overall. Overall ang tawag sa atin doon eh. So, ganyan. Medyo maingay si Mr. guys. Kausap kasi yung ate niya, yung kapatid niya. Kasi gustong bilhan din ng damit ang aming baby. Eh, kaso ang dami naming damit na dala-dala pag-uwi. Bigay nung anak ni Mr. na mga pinaggamitan o pinaglumaan nung anak ni Mr. Bali, apo ni Mr. Ang gulo, no? So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yun. Ang dami, 7 pieces. Ginabi na kami. Kakauwi lang namin. 8 o'clock na. So, ito white. So, sobrang cute nila.
Because that's what it is for
Cute.
for delivering
So,
and
white.
rewarding goods in transit.
And then brown.
And then there's the whole package.
Also, kasi yung ate niya.
So I need to get £3,000 just to break even, if you know what I mean.
Plain brown.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Another ship.
Yes. So, and then so the be really advantageous that we don't know more. Because it's a contract.
So, this is brown ulit. Kaso medyo lighter. Compare dito sa isa.
And then that means we can apply for the children's visa.
And then another plain white.
Yeah. Won't have to wait.
Parang 75 pesos lang ang isa sa atin sa Pilipinas. Kasi parang ang 1 pound na ngayon is 75 pesos.
In a good way.
Cute.
So right, I want you to get off, but I thought I'd just give you that bit of good news because
That is really good.
yeah.
Yes.
So,
And
ito
the
siya
other thing
guys.
is,
Silang pen din. Ang laki.
if we're going to come and see you,
Yes.
can you give us some dates that would work for you in the next 2 or 3 weeks? Because I
At the
want,
moment, I'm in a bit of a position where I can't.
yeah,
Yeah.
because obviously if I'm going to take this contract, then that narrows it down even further.
Yeah. Can you give me a few days?
Oh yeah,
I've got things. Right.
and I think it'll be 3 or 4 weeks.
Medyo malaki siya guys. O, yung lampin.
But also conscious, I'll talk to you in another 2 or 3 days. Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Alright, thank you. See you later.
Enjoy.
Oh, she fall asleep? Oh, Chloe. Oh, yeah. Look what she says. You're very welcome. I hope you love some of the clothes. Sobrang mura mamili guys sa Primark ng mga damit. Kaya maganda dong pumili yung mga nasa UK at nagtitipid. Katulad. So, ayan. Isang buong bag na yan. Galing yan sa anak ni Miss Def. Tsaka ayun. Yung paper bag na yun. So, yan. Bukas i-open ko